Hi teacher, and my name is Catherine Jamilet Martinez Gonzalez. And today I'm going to explain about the disease and different symptoms of them. Well, I will I will talk about the flu because I think that is very common disease and where many symptoms um, uh, many symptoms are found in a single disease. For example, the symptoms like fever, sore throat, but what else? Cold, stuffy nose, body pain. In some cases, conjunctivitis, but this is depending of the intensity of the disease. Um, the other type of disease that have these symptoms are, for example, throat infections. Uh, that in this case have the same symptoms: a fever, a cold, um, sore throat, body pain, etc. Now I'm going to talk to you about the medicines and suggestions for these cases, that is uh, flu and throat infections. Mm, okay, I think there are two type of suggestions in my case, is my opinion. One is when a doctor give you when you go to the hospital, that the doctor suggests a lot of type of medicines, but the other one um, the other one that is a father, your mother, or in this case my grandmother can suggest and prepare different medicines, in this case home remedies home remedies. um, for example, in my case, I like to take home remedies because I think that is better. um, the home I like to take home remedies recommended by my mother or my grandmother, depending. And for example, um, for the flu, in this case, for the flu, you can take juice with 2 lemons and little with little salt. It's very good because it helps you to prevent the flu from developing completely. And you can also take different teas. For example, for the fever exists different type of teas for these cases. Um, but in the case that you going to the doctor, he can recommend, for example, different medicines. For example, pills for the flu, or pills for the body pains, that is very common. What else? Cyrus, cough cyrus, and nasal spray, that is very effective in my case. Some injections, and um, vitamins, that is good for your defense. And in the case of having a virus, the doctor recommend, for example, antibiotic is the most common, and for the fever I will give acetaminophen, that in the hospital in El Salvador is very common, that the doctor recommend acetaminophen. Now I'm going to explain about pros and cons of the different treatments. Sorry, the different treatments found in the Top Notch book. In the Top Notch book, read the different treatments. For example, number one is conventional medicine. The conventional medicine, this is an option because surgical techniques have greatly improved over the last centuries. For this reason, the people have more confidence to practice this type of treatments. Um, some disadvantages of the type of treatments are, for example, uh, the the people can be have an addiction and irreparable damage. That is very good that the people know this disadvantage. But some advantages are, for example, and your health problem. That is the uh, that is the most important. And other have a better life. Um, okay, in the Touch Not book, and say number two, that is homeopathy. These remedies are popular in many countries, and the advantage can be it's very effective. It can be used to lose weight, and, and for me, the most important is decrease the stress. But and some disadvantages are, for example, there are many homeopathy doctors, only a few experts in the field, and research is few. And number three is herbal therapy, that, for in my opinion, is a better. Herbs are used to treat many ailments, and some advantages are, for example, I don't know, they are less aggressive to the body. That for this reason is my favorite treatment. And they usually lack or have minimal side effects, and they are cheaper. That is very good. That are cheaper because you are not paying the laboratories or the paint. Some Disadvantages are, for example, doses doses are poorly controlled. Doses are among their appears due to due to lack of consciousness. Other is they are holistic, not specific. They are less effective um, alleviating an acute problem. What else? Um, I think that is all. Um, this is my presentations. And thank you for your attention. And have a good day. Thank you.